everyone, so for this project, I have this Rubik's brand Rubik's Cube right here. The reason why I chose this cube over some other speed cubes is just because it has tiles instead of stickers. The tiles are gonna help me because I can actually pry them off and manipulate them however I want, and not just like stickers where I'd have to put my wood on the corners. So basically what I'm thinking of doing is just taking each individual tile off, and then I have some veneers here. I have some colorful ones and just some other exotic wood ones, and they're really thin, so I think that's gonna work really great. So I'm gonna take each tile off, sand it down a couple of millimeters, then with some CA glue, I'll glue on the veneer and just cut them into little squares. So there's nothing else to say, so let's go ahead and start taking off those tiles. So I just got done taking off all of the tiles. I kept the center one just so I know which color are each side, but it won't really matter because I'm just gonna put wood on them. But this is actually looking really cool. It looks like a skeleton Rubik's Cube. Anyone could solve it. It's starting to look like a candy store too. So I guess now it's just pretty straightforward. I just need to sand each face of each tile. I'll just sand it down and make it nice and rough so to get ready for wood. Once I do that, I can start picking out my wood and then we can start gluing. Sanded, they should be ready for veneer. That was the most sanding I've ever done on plastic. That was 54 tiles I had to sand, but they are done. They're thinner and they are sanded, so they should be ready for veneer. So go ahead and put some veneer on it. So now I think I have all my colors selected out. I got the most contrasting colors just so it'd be good for Rubik's Cube. So let's go ahead and do some test runs. I'm gonna go ahead and first use some thin CA glue. See how that works. It should dry super fast, so I gotta watch it. I'll just set some on the tile. Okay, it is burning my skin. Okay everyone, so the verdict of that test was definitely not use thin CA glue because it completely got all over my hands and they were burning because it was getting so hot. So that was a very bad disaster, but I did get one tile done. So I'm gonna transfer over to the thick CA glue and we will see how that works. So now what I'm doing right here is I'm just sanding every face of the wood on the tiles. I'm sanding the front, the sides, and the corners to just get it to a nice smooth finish ready for a coat of lacquer. And this is taking a very long time. I've spent about an hour and I'm just about halfway through, so I'm just gonna continue going on with this and I'll come back to you guys when I'm done. finally down to the last 6 tiles. These are the center tiles, so I have all the wood in front of them, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put CA glue on the tiles and glue it to the veneer. And you can see I have all the other ones all ready to go and laid out. So let's go ahead and fix these. So now every single piece is done, but wait, there's one more thing to do. With that done, these pieces are ready for a finish. I'm gonna go ahead and cover them with lacquer, and then they should be done. So now that they're dry, it's time for assembly. I'll go ahead and start with the white and then go from there. That is looking so awesome. Now let's go to the yellow. Guys, it's the time you've all been waiting for. Let's go ahead and scramble up this cube and see how it performs. Okay, there's a scramble. Okay, now turn back now. That was a good solve. Definitely not my fastest time, but definitely good for a wooden Rubik's Cube. Okay everyone, so that in conclusion shows that this cube definitely can be used. It might not be the fastest cube, but this is mainly just for aesthetics. I think this project turned out amazing. It's very beautiful and it's actually functional. So that's it for this video. Really hope you liked it. Please click here or here to watch some of my other videos, and please click here to subscribe to my channel. It really helped me out, and you guys can see when I upload new videos. So that's it for this one. I'll catch you on the next video.